Hey everyone, welcome to Centralia Fur and Hide's instructional video on how to build a drumstick kit. My name is Eric. I am Mountain Maidu from High Sierra, California. So once you receive your drumstick kit, it should look something like this, and it comes with everything you need to build it. So let's take this apart. Got your instructions. We got our drumstick head. We got our drumstick blanket. This is what we use for underneath. Got your stick, and we have our sinew for tying our drumstick head on. So, the only thing you really need for this is a pair of scissors. So we'll take our drumstick and we'll find the skinny end first. We're going to take our blanket and we're going to give it a good wrap. You don't want to pull it tight because then you'll just have a stick basically with a piece of blanket on it. So we'll kind of just keep it loose. Just go all the way around. I like to keep a good like 1/8 of an inch above the stick. That way the stick doesn't pull through the top of the drum head. Alright, so we're going to take our sinew. I'm going to give myself about this long of a tail. Hold on to it like such. Basically, I'm going to give it a couple wraps around the stick. Just like that, so it doesn't pull anymore. I'm going to give her good, I like to do 3 wraps of the sinew around the top of the head, such as that. Okay, and we're going to come down to the bottom. We're going to go up and over, spin it, go up and over, spin it one more time. I guess that's probably good enough. Basically, we just do that to keep the blanket stayed on your stick, ties it all down together. You come back down to the bottom, give her 2 or 3 wraps, pull it, make sure your stick doesn't slip or your sinew doesn't slip. I'm going to cut this. Yay. I like to use the edge of a table. It gives me basically a 3rd hand. And tie a knot, just a good square knot. I like to put one more 1/2 inch in there just so it doesn't come loose and don't want your drumstick head flying off when you're playing your drum. Should look something like that. Alright, then the last step. Just going to center this on our little square piece of blanket head here. A little piece of leather for our drumstick head. Something such as this. And you just take your hands. There's no perfect way to do it. Get everything down to the bottom. I just kind of like to pull out some of the wrinkles so it looks a little nicer. Such as that. We'll take the last piece of our sinew here. Again, give yourself a little tail to hang on to. We're going to wrap it a good 3 or 4 times. Pull it tight. Give it another good wrap. Again, I'll use the edge of my table or whatever you have. It just makes it easier. Gives you, again, like that 3rd hand, so to speak. Tie my square knot. Give that extra 3rd little 1/2 inch there so it doesn't come undone, hopefully. Don't want to cut it too close to the knot so your knot comes undone. So essentially, it should look like this. Some people like to leave this just as it is. I like to take my scissors and just kind of cut the skirt that's around it. Like that. Cut it too short, you're going to start seeing that blanket underneath and your sinew underneath, which you don't really want to do. So just give yourself a little trim job. Maybe a little roll on the table. And there's your drumstick. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Alright, so now that we have our drumstick built, it should resemble something like this. Let's see. Works great. Don't forget to check out our website, everybody. We can purchase this kit, many other kits that we sell, such as moccasin kits, into the trail kits, medicine bag kits. You just got to go search and find it. Last time, thank you again for watching. Click on the link below. Good luck, everybody.